Sir, Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi Yojana. For those who are constantly accusing us of dealing with cronies, Swanidhi doesn't go to cronies. Damads get land in states which are governed by some parties. Rajasthan, once upon a time. Haryana, once upon a time. I can give you the details. Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has been repeatedly saying the kind of allegations which are coming for the lands taken away at throwaway prices from farmers. They gave farmers pittance and took away the lands. That is Damad operating. Hum do hamare do is that. We are two people taking care of the party, and there are two other people who have to take care. Daughter and the Damad will take care of that. We don't do that. Swanidhi is tailored. PM Swanidhi Yojana is tailored for those small traders who are in the streets, who are selling their little ware and making their families happy with whatever they earn from there. 10,000 rupees is given to them as working capital for 1 year tenure. They take 10,000, do some business and return that. If necessary, they can take once more. And that is given to 50 lakh street vendors. They are not cronies. They are not anybody's cronies, leave alone our cronies, not even your cronies. They are people who think of the Prime Minister is working for the small, Dalits, backwards, the poor. And they are the people who benefit out of Swanidhi. They are the people who also benefit out of Mudra. They are also the people who benefit out of PM stand-up capital, which is being given at the district level for SC, STs and tribal, and also for women. There we don't do work for any damads. We don't do work for any cronies. We work for the common citizen who believes in the Prime Minister. And that is why when I probably will, sir, with your permission, Speaker, sir, I repeat some of those specific steps that the government has taken even during the pandemic. And those steps and the number of people who have benefited from it, I'll just recall it once. Then you yourself will tell me, where are the cronies? They are very much hiding probably in the shadow of that party which has been rejected by the people. The shadows who were invited to even set up. Honorable member Shashi Tharoor is here, who belongs to the state, which under his party's rule, invited one of those big cronies who they remember every now and then to even develop a port. They invited. No open tenders, no global tenders, no nothing. Invited. And they had the temerity to call us cronies, crony capitalists. You have the temerity to call us crony capitalists. You invited one of them, who you repeatedly call, and then say, please develop our port. Because there is no Damad living in Kerala. Damad lives here. Sir, under the PM Awas Yojana, please have the patience to hear who are our cronies. Our cronies are the common janta of this country. PM Awas Yojana, more than 1.67 crores have been completed. Do cronies have these Awas Yojana houses? They are common people who get the Awas Yojana houses. How many houses were electrified under the Saubhagya scheme? Since October 2017, 2.67 crore houses have been electrified. They are not crony capitalist houses. Household toilets were constructed. Nearly 11 crore. Now it is more than that. Household toilets for crony capitalists? Do they need it? And who needs it gets it. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, the leader of the opposition still has some courage to get up and speak on PM Cares. I thought MOS Finance during last one session pointedly told them what is PM Cares, who audits them, where does that money go, as opposed to the way in which the PM National Relief Fund was giving money for family trusts. That has been already explained. Maybe I'll send you the video clip which is going on in social media. Adhir ji, you will learn a lot of things from it. You were not present? I thought that's the session in which you called them Himachal ke somebody, Chokra. That's a session, I'll remind you. That's the session in which you called my MOS, who's an honorable member of this house 5 times now, Himachal ke Chokra, and he got up to tell you what actually was the PM National Relief Fund. So that debate is over and done with, dusted. You can go remind yourself through the social media. Sir, length of the road. Don't worry, I'll answer you. I'll send you the clip. Have a look at it and then come back. PM Gram Sadak Yojana, sir, more than 2,11,000 kilometers of road have been built since 14-15, and Gram Sadak Yojanas don't go to the private gated communities of damads and crony capitalists. Sir, whose lifeline are these? हम नहीं बोल रहे भाई. Sir, let me. Professor is very. Sir, Professor is a very alert member of the House. When speakers speak, he catches every word and says, hey, but this one, hey, but that one. But you notice one thing, sir? Actually, the crony capitalism allegation डालने वाले Congress से कोई बात करता है, Professor never gets up. He shivers, mustn't talk in front of Congress. All the courage is only on us. All the courage is only on us. Madam, nobody talks rubbish, madam. Don't you say that. Sir, total, insulting. Sir, number of farmers registered under E-NAM. Sir, number of farmers registered on E-NAM, 1,69,000. Number of digital transactions happening in the UPI. Absolutely, continuously calling the Prime Minister all abuses, very unfortunate. Sir, number of farmers registered under PM Fasal Bima Yojana, 9 crores of people. From farmers, you take away their land for cheap, but we don't do that. We send 6,000 rupees to their account, direct benefit transfers. 9 crore farmers have benefit. There are no damads. Loans sanctioned under Mudra Yojana, sir. 27 crore Mudra Yojana goes to people who are really running small businesses. So MSME or small businesses have all been absolutely taken care of by this government. So much before really anyone comes up with questions or false allegations. Of late, false narratives are the ones which are being propagated rather than coming to the House and talking in details about what is being offered in budget or any other program. Sir, there are specific questions, 2-3 of them. After that, I'll come to the conclusion. But more important is, Sir, Member Supriya Sule ji had asked this question, and I partly sort of got up to reply her on what is that 41-42% allocation in the Finance Commission. I think roughly that has been explained as to what is 42, why it has come down to 41. It's not actually come down, it is the due appropriate share for states. Sir, but the question she had then asked, and which I chose to answer during the reply, was what happens to this modernization fund for defense and internal security? So that is